Get ready to unfold your world. This is everything you'd want in a premium, durable, 5G smartphone. Then they made it unfold, revealing a massive screen so you can watch, work and play like never before. Stands up, stands out, unfolds. Two screens are better than one. See more and do more with the ultimate phone that unfolds to reveal big screens, inside and out. Folded, it's a premium 6.2-inch smartphone. Unfolded, you've got an expansive view that opens new possibilities. Set the tone. Bold, timeless color. Galaxy Z Fold3 5G shines in 3 instant classic hues that are sure to turn heads. Available colors: Phantom Black, Phantom Green, Phantom Silver. Galaxy Z Fold3 Tom Brown Edition. Introducing a bold new foldable experience. Presented with the Galaxy Z Fold3, Watch 4, Buds 2 and S Pen Pro in a finely crafted case, this limited edition collection combines impeccable style with innovative 5G tech for the ultimate expression of form and function. Experience, all in your hand. Edge-to-edge whoa. Open Galaxy Z Fold3 5G and feast your eyes on 7.6 inches of expansive, tablet-like viewing. Even the under-display camera is hidden away beneath the main screen, so you can enjoy true edge-to-edge, cinematic wonder, with nothing in the way of your woe. The viewing experience doesn't stop at the dynamic AMOLED 2X screen. Let the sound immerse you with Dolby Atmos and stereo speakers. Get more done with multiple windows. Optimize your workflow and keep things moving with 3 multi-windows that let you schedule, edit and build presentations, all on the same massive screen, without flipping back and forth. Make hard work look easy. For all your strokes of genius, put pen to ultra-thin glass with S Pen Fold Edition, specially designed for idea jotting, video editing and more, exclusively on your Galaxy Z Fold3 5G. Or scribble away with S Pen Pro, compatible with Galaxy Z Fold3 5G and a range of other S Pen-friendly devices, from smartphones to tablets to laptops. Multitasking is easy as 1, 2, 3 things at once. A woman lounging on a couch, sketching with S Pen Fold Edition on unfolded Galaxy Z Fold3 5G. Split the large screen into 3 apps at once. Then open 5 more via pop-up. Save groups of apps to the Edge panel to open later for instant multitasking. Then watch, chat and so much more, all at once. Your phone delivers PC-like productivity but folds in your palm for portability. More screens. More game. More wins. 20Hz display, a big gaming advantage. See what other gamers miss with a display designed to crush the competition. The adaptive super smooth 120Hz main screen refreshes up to twice as fast as 60Hz screens, keeping action-packed moments clear and ultra-responsive. Multi-camera system, a one-stop content shop. No other Galaxy takes photo and video like this. Make video calls with 5 different cameras in 3 different spots. Chat, take selfies and capture night hyperlapse masterpieces, with a hands-free freedom of flex mode. Unfold epic photos, selfie, the rear and cover cameras make your selfies instantly ready to post. Portrait, get depth of field and lighting changes with a tap and turn snapshots into studio quality portraits. Night mode, AI keeps the color and clarity in your nighttime shots, and flex mode stabilizes the rear camera without extra equipment. Night hyperlapse, the night lights are yours to capture with the rear and cover cameras. Seconds of long exposure shots become a time-lapse video with eye-catching light trails. Director's view, your cameras are at your command. Director's View lets you record moments from multiple angles and toggle back and forth between multiple cameras. Don't sweat it. It's water resistant. That's right. Galaxy Fold is officially water resistant. With an IPX8 rating, you can unfold freely, even if you're caught in the rain. An exterior that can take a hit protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. The front and back cover screen are crafted with the same ultra-durable glass used in the Galaxy S21 5G series.